it and you would fake it. Give it a beat and you would shake it.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another cleaning video. In today's video, I am simply going to be cleaning out the refrigerator. For some of you that did not know, well, most of y'all did not know, my refrigerator was leaking and we had to wait for parts to come. So I know it's going to be a mess behind there and trying to clean up. I'm going to have to slowly pull it out because I don't want to break the piece off that's in there that's been fixed. I'm a little nervous about that, but we're going to get it all done anyway. But first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and clean out the refrigerator because I couldn't get into it for, for garbage night to get it all out. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to clean out everything that I can. And also clean behind there. I may get to the stove, I don't know. And the other appliance in the kitchen, I don't know. I know I just started this video without saying welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I would love for you guys to join the family with us. And guys, please hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you get an alert. And guys, also, ladies and gentlemen, my kings and my queens out there, you guys rock. I'm telling you, you rock. You just getting all these views going up and up. We on a road to 1K. We're so close. I hate keep saying that because you know what? When you keep saying that, it seems like people unsubscribe. I don't know why, but I don't even know why. Comment down below if you know why. Also, thank you guys for always leaving some wonderful, wonderful, encouraging words out there to me. Yes, I have a lot of new subscribers, and I love you guys. My day one. I love you guys even more as well. You guys, I might have to leave some shout outs down below. Start back with my shout outs again. And especially to my new family, the ones that are YouTubers. You know who you are, that always commenting on my channel. Guys, I love you. I love you. Go watch them too. You see them in the comment. Go subscribe to their channel as well. I'm not going to do all this talking because I want to get this done and get it over with. All right, so you guys, if you need motivation, I have it for you. So turn it on your devices, whatever device you have, whether it's your TV, your cell phone, your computer, your laptop, your iPad, whatever it is, go ahead, turn it on, get the motivation for now or for later, whatever way that helps you. Let's get the job done. So let's get started right into this video.
Let's set the tone. A bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows. A couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. In loving before anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk. I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses. Catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing. You seem to have it all. In loving before anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous.
Alright, these are much better. The other ones I had, they were too bitter, I had to throw them away, but these are the better ones.
you right. We vibing like kick it rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like
A really good hack to do. Keep your strawberries in mason jars, they last longer.
Personal, I know my inhibitions. I just let them go. Stole my heart just like a criminal. I think it's time you let me know if you wanna kick it rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like kick it rendezvous. Make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like you give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. way, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. Just can't stop thinking about you. Just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave, boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I
check in with you all to let you know what's going on in this video. I know you see me going here and there and just all over the place. The reason for that, because I'm trying to do two different things at one time. As you see, I pulled out the refrigerator so I can get back there and clean up all the mess that was behind there. While I'm letting that dry, I'm going back collecting all, plates and dishes or whatever it is that we use throughout the house. And that's why you see me keep going back and forth washing things like that. So tell me, how do you do your kitchen when you're in there cleaning up? What is your method that you do? Do you start with your dishes first, or you start with cleaning out the refrigerator, things like that, or whatever it may be? Let me know. Leave it down in the comment. I would love to hear from you guys. So what you're seeing today, now, like I said in this video, I am just cleaning out the refrigerator, and was supposed to just clean out the back of the refrigerator, and then there were some dishes I had to do. So this video, I don't know if I'm gonna do it a part 1 or part 2, because I still have so much else to do. So I'll let you guys know at the end of this video if I'm gonna go ahead and do it, because it might be too long and I don't want to hold you guys that long, but I just want to give you some motivation to getting the job done in your house as well. So don't beat yourself up if you have a little difficulty getting started, or don't know where to start from. You guys, we here together, so leave a comment down below and I can try to help you as much as I can, and you can help me as well. All right, y'all, I want to show you I can't even show you what just happened to me. Remember, I have the strawberries in the mason jar and I told you how good they hold? But I didn't know it's been in here for a while. I went to unscrew the cap and the cap just poof, it blew off. Man, that could have got my eyes and everything else. So be careful when you guys do that. I'm telling you, be very careful. Ooh, I saw my life flash before me. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, no, I'm not losing it. I'm having a conversation with my daughter, who's in the other room, in the living room, and she's walking back and forth through the kitchen and the living room. So just in case you see me keep talking and talking, that's what I'm doing, guys. All right, so let's continue with the video. Only chance. I'm not here to waste my time on yet another bad romance. Now I got hopes for us tonight, for this here thing to turn out right. So from the start, let's get this one thing clear. You should know you're looking at a self-made woman. You should know I got nothing for free in this life. None of us can know what's coming. So if you wanna be with me, baby, can't you see? You gotta make room for a self-made woman like me. You gotta make room for a self-made woman like me. Gotta make room for a self-made woman. Gotta get up, gotta get on the floor. Know you're looking at a self-made woman. Don't expect you to lie down flat, not unless you really want. I'm not after a new doormat or a pretty thing to flaunt. So if you got plans for us tonight, for this here thing to turn out right, then from the start, let's get this one thing clear. You should know you're looking at a self-made woman. You should know I got nothing for free. Oh, in this life, none of us can know what's coming. Okay guys, we made it to the end of this video, and thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. And also guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you have not done so yet to this channel, and turn on your post notification bell so every time I upload a video you will get an alert. Okay, and so I will see you guys in the next video.